Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best soundboard for PS4 is probably one of the most exciting additions to your gaming setup. It allows you to inject hilarious sound effects, epic music drops, and custom audio clips into your gameplay, making your streams and gaming sessions infinitely more entertaining. Whether you're looking to prank your friends, create engaging content, or simply spice up your gaming experience, a soundboard for PS4 is a must-have tool. Number 5. FIFINE AM8, USB XLR Dynamic Microphone for Streaming. This dynamic microphone delivers balanced audio with a frequency response of 50 Hz to 16 kHz. It's designed to capture your voice clearly while rejecting unwanted noise, ensuring your audience hears you perfectly. For professional setups, connect this microphone via XLR to an audio interface. This expands your audio flexibility, allowing you to explore different recording styles. This connection provides a pristine and accurate sound. For ease of use, simply plug the USB cable in and start recording. It's perfect for beginners. The tap-to-mute function and LED indicator give you complete control and privacy. Enhance your setup with the RGB lighting. It offers multiple modes and colors to match your gaming rig. The microphone remembers your settings, so you don't have to reconfigure it every time. The built-in headphone jack lets you monitor your audio in real time. The gain knob allows for easy adjustments to your audio levels. This gives you complete control over your sound. This versatile microphone is perfect for both work and play. Use it at home or on the go. It also includes built-in threads for easy mounting on most mic stands. What we like. This microphone offers both USB and XLR connections, giving you flexibility for different setups. The customizable RGB lighting adds a visual flair to your streams. If you're a streamer who wants both versatility and connectivity and a visually appealing setup, this is a great choice. If you like to monitor your audio in real time, you should consider this. What people say. Lightweight but very easy to use and solid in place. The sound quality also comes off really well, it picks me up whenever I need it. The built-in gain knob are super convenient, and I like having a physical mute button. In my opinion, all microphones should have one. Number 4. FIFINE SC3 Gaming Audio Mixer. This gaming audio mixer features an XLR microphone input, perfect for upgrading your audio quality. It also offers built-in 48V phantom power, expanding your microphone options. This allows you to connect your condenser microphone directly, enhancing your streaming setup. Take control of your audio with individual channel adjustments. The mixer provides smooth volume faders for microphone, line-in, headphone, and line-out channels. You can configure the audio levels directly on the mixer, simplifying your streaming setup. Easily mute audio with the front-facing mute button to eliminate background noise. The monitor button provides real-time feedback, boosting your confidence during live broadcasts. These sturdy buttons ensure easy operation during your streams. Enhance your content with pre-recorded sound effects and voice-changing modes. It includes 4 customizable buttons, 6 voice-changing modes, and 12 auto-tune settings. This adds a fun and unique element to your streaming or gaming voice. Customize your setup with the RGB button, matching different streaming themes. The lights are vibrant yet easy on the eyes, with flowing or frozen color rotations. This adds a visually appealing element to your streaming equipment. This mixer supports 2 PC settings and audio mixing, balancing music, games, and audio settings. It's plug-and-play compatible with Mac OS and Windows. It's perfect for beginners using OBS, Twitch, YouTube, or TikTok. What we like. This audio mixer provides an XLR mic input for enhanced audio quality. With individual channel control, you can fine-tune your audio levels. If you're looking to upgrade your audio setup with an XLR microphone and need precise control over your audio, this mixer is perfect for you. It also has sound effects, so if you want to add some fun to your streaming, you should consider this. What people say. I love how easy it is to control everything with the individual volume faders and mute buttons, makes it super convenient to balance my mic, game audio, and chat on the fly. The XLR input with 48V phantom power works perfectly with my mic. It has individual controls for mic, headphones, and line inputs, which makes it super easy to balance everything while streaming or recording. Number 3. Pyle PMXU43BT 4-channel audio mixer. This mixer allows you to connect your devices via USB or Bluetooth. You can easily stream music from your phone or computer. It's a hassle-free way to get your audio where it needs to be. Stream music wirelessly with Bluetooth. It's easy to connect your phone or tablet. Enjoy your favorite tunes from apps like Pandora or Spotify. It supports XLR and 1/4-inch inputs with plus 48V phantom power. The LED indicators help you monitor your levels. This mixer is designed for professional sound quality. Built with a rugged steel chassis and sealed controls. This compact mixer offers dynamic control and clarity. It's perfect for live performances and karaoke. The mixer has a multi-voltage power supply for worldwide use. It's a great value for anyone looking for a quality mixing solution. Get great sound every time you use it. What we like. This mixer offers both USB and Bluetooth connectivity for versatile audio input. The rugged steel chassis ensures durability. If you need a reliable mixer with multiple input options and a robust build for live gigs or streaming, this is the one for you. If you are looking for a mixer that is easy to use, you should consider this. What people say. Having built-in Bluetooth to play music is perfect. The Bluetooth connects easily and reliably for break music. Bluetooth works great as well as the USB media port. Number 2. Pyle PMXU63BT 6-channel audio mixer. This mixer allows you to connect external devices via USB or Bluetooth. You can easily stream music from your phone or computer using this device. Enjoy cable-free audio streaming. This mixer is compatible with iPad, iPhone, and Android devices, letting you stream from apps like Pandora and Spotify. It supports XLR and 1/4 inputs with plus 48V phantom power. There's also a 3-band EQ on all channels. The mixer provides ultra-low noise and high headroom. Built with a rugged steel chassis and sealed controls, this mixer is designed to last. It's perfect for live performances, gigs, and karaoke. The mixer includes a multi-voltage power supply, making it ideal for worldwide use. Get a great mixing solution that delivers excellent sound every time. What we like. This mixer offers both USB and Bluetooth connectivity for versatile audio input. The rugged steel chassis ensures durability. If you need a reliable mixer with multiple input options and a robust build for live gigs or streaming, this is the one for you. If you are looking for a mixer that is easy to use, you should consider this. What people say. I love the dual XLR TRS input ports which allow the mixer to be a little more compact. You can USB directly to the computer, USB-A to USB-A cable included, and it recognizes it as both an input and an output, meaning you can record into Audacity or your favorite program straight from the mixer and it sounds really amazing. You can output back to the mixer and hear it on the phone's main outputs as well. Number 1. Pyle PMIC 120 USB Microphone Podcast Recording Kit. This Pyle microphone is incredibly easy to use. Just plug it into your computer's USB port and select it as your input in your software settings. Then, you're ready to start recording your audio. This compact microphone kit is perfect for various uses, including studio vocals, gaming, and podcasting. It works seamlessly with Windows PC, Mac, and Linux operating systems, making it versatile for home, office, or business use. The included pop filter is adjustable and helps eliminate those unwanted popping sounds. This ensures a crisp vocal pickup and high-quality audio clarity. It's lab-tested for professional-grade performance. The microphone comes with a stand, allowing for freestanding placement on any desk or table. It features a cardioid pickup pattern and a back electric condenser microphone, which is ideal for recording. The kit includes a shock mount, pop filter, USB cable, and a portable storage case. This makes it easy to transport and set up wherever you go. The microphone is constructed with durable metal alloy and a metal iron base. What we like. This microphone is incredibly easy to set up with its plug-and-play functionality. The included pop filter ensures clear audio. If you're a beginner looking for a simple, high-quality recording solution for gaming or streaming, this is a great option. If you are looking for a simple setup, you should consider this. What people say. Assembly is pretty easy and straightforward. You can use it with pop filter or just plain mic. Either way, it does what it's supposed to do, to cancel out background noise and produce clear sound voice. It has such great sound quality and accuracy. The base is solid and heavy to ensure that your microphone stays in place. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.